Have you ever wondered why some people wake up full of energy, while others feel drained before the day even begins? The difference isn't luck. It's not genetics either. It's what they do in the first 30 minutes after waking up.
In this video, you'll discover 7 simple morning habits that can completely transform your energy, focus, and health.
Stick around until the end, because the 7th habit is the one most people ignore, yet it might be the most powerful. Habit number 1. Stop checking your phone first thing in the morning. Give yourself the first 10 minutes, phone-free.
The moment you check Instagram or email, your brain shifts into stress mode before you've even gotten out of bed.
Give yourself at least the first 10 minutes phone-free. Habit number 2, drink a glass of water immediately after waking up. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. A simple glass of water kickstarts your metabolism and helps your brain wake up faster. Habit number 3, get sunlight exposure within the first hour. Natural light tells your brain to stop producing melatonin and start producing cortisol, the hormone that gives you energy and alertness. Even 5 minutes near a window can make a noticeable difference. Habit number 4, move your body. You don't need an intense workout. A short walk, a few stretches, or even light movement increases blood flow and wakes up your entire nervous system. Habit number 5, eat a protein-rich breakfast. Skipping breakfast or eating only sugar and refined carbs can cause your energy to crash within hours. Protein helps stabilize your blood sugar and keeps your energy steady throughout the morning. Habit number 6, plan your day before the chaos begins. Taking just 2 minutes to write down your top 3 priorities gives your brain direction instead of reacting to everything that comes your way. And now, habit number 7, the one most people skip entirely. Silence. Just a few minutes of quiet, without noise, without screens, and without distractions. This could be deep breathing, meditation, or simply sitting still with your thoughts. Your brain needs this moment to reset before the demands of the day take over. Without it, stress builds up silently, and by the afternoon, you're already running on empty. These 7 habits don't require extra time, money, or willpower. They simply require consistency. Start with just 1 or 2 tomorrow morning, and notice how different your entire day feels. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Vital Horizon for more science-backed videos on health, energy, and building a better lifestyle. Because taking care of your mornings is the first step to taking care